What's the meaning of Alexander technique? Alexander technique. Alexander technique. Alexander technique. Alexander technique. Alexander technique.
The Alexander technique is a method for improving movement and posture through the conscious control of one's own body. It was developed by Frederick Matthias Alexander, who discovered that excessive tension and poor habits of posture and movement were at the root of many physical problems. By learning to use the body in a more efficient and balanced way, practitioners of the Alexander technique can improve their overall well-being and reduce pain and discomfort. The ultimate result of using this technique is a better understanding of one's own body and the ability to move with greater ease and grace.